Quick and simple story is I've been watching a lot of lock-picking videos from Bosnian Bill and Lock-Picking Lawyer. So I'm going to have a crack at this fortress lock real quick and see if we can get it picked. It's a very, very tiny lock. I'm going to give some tension here and see what I can do. Check for some binding pins. There we go. Alrighty, it felt like I overset something. Got a a few things, but I think something was overset. So let's reset, try that again. I'm going to try the other side, the wrench. I seem to get a little bit better tension that way. So here it's a springy. There we go, there's something. Gotta click. Tiny click. There we go. That is a legit click. Got it. Alright. And that's it. So, very cheap fortress lock. Managed to get it. And yes, I do own the keys. That's it.